you must have definitely played on a seesaw. Now, what exactly happens on a seesaw? Well, you are able to lift your friend up while your friend is able to lift you up. So, if you see in the real life situation, can you really lift your friend up comfortably? Not really, because he or she will have similar weight as yours. But on a seesaw, you are able to do it very comfortably. So we can say that seesaw is also a machine because it makes our work easier of lifting something up. Now, seesaw is a special type of machine and its name is lever. Well, lever is a type of machine which has a particular characteristic. Let's see what that is. Well, lever is a long stick that you push or pull against a fixed point to move something. So in order to move something, when you use a long stick sort of a thing that you push or pull against a fixed point, then that particular machine is called a lever. So seesaw is a lever because you have a long stick and it is fixed at this point. And so you have a long stick and it is fixed at this point. So it is a lever. Now, if I ask you to move this big rock, will you be able to do it? Most probably, you won't be even able to nudge it. Then how can you really move it? Well, you can move it with the help of a machine, and not some very complex machine. You can use a very simple machine and you can move this rock. Let's see what that is. Now, what does a pry bar do? Well, using a simple rod, you are able to fix it here and then you are able to move this rock. So, something like this. So, you see, here is the effort being applied and this is the fixed point. And with the help of this fixed point and this long rod, and while applying effort from here, you are able to move this rock. So, you have a fixed point here and you are pushing it from here, and using this rod you are able to actually move the rock. So again, here too you are moving the entire thing using a fixed point. So we can use pry bar to move heavy rocks by this fixed point. So this is also a lever because we are able to do a work with the help of this fixed point. That is, using a fixed point, we are able to move this particular machine. So this machine is moving on a fixed point, which is this. And that is why this is also a lever. Now, do you know what this fixed point is? Well, this fixed point has a name. It's called a fulcrum. And it is usually represented by F. So in a seesaw, this is the fixed point and it is denoted by F. So this is the fulcrum of this lever, that is seesaw. So the point about which the lever turns is known as a fulcrum. It is generally marked by letter F. So wherever F is marked in a lever, that is the fulcrum of that lever. So the fixed point about which a lever moves is known as, what is the point? Well, it is known as fulcrum. So you see, fulcrum is the fixed point about which a lever moves. Now here too, this boy is using a lever to move this box. Now can you tell me where the fulcrum is located? So the point here where this lever touches the books, this is the fulcrum. And this is the box which he's trying to move. So this is the load. And he's applying effort here. This is the effort. So you see, this is where the effort is being applied, and this point here is the fulcrum, because this is a fixed point along which this lever is moving, and this is the load which is being moved. So you see, these are the three important points on a lever, and these three important points make it lever in fact. So we have one point where effort is applied, we have one point where fulcrum is, and then we have another point where we have the load, and together they make the lever. So you see, we have load at one point, effort at another point, and then this is the fixed point on which it is moving. So this is fulcrum. So you see, this fixed point is fulcrum, and we have load and effort on two other points on the lever, and together they form lever. So all these different things which we use in our day-to-day lives, like scissors, trolley bag, stapler, even nutcracker, are levers. And why are they levers? Because all of them move about a fixed point and they make our work easier. So you see, this is the fixed point about which the scissor moves. What about the trolley bag? This is the fixed point here. And the stapler, here is the fixed point. And nutcracker, here is the fixed point. And so all of these are levers, and we use levers everywhere in our day-to-day lives. So what levers are? Well, lever is a long stick, bar or rod that you push or pull against a fixed point to move something or perform a work easily. So any long stick, bar or rod that you move about a fixed point to make your work easier is called a lever. So all the different things which we use in our day-to-day lives are levers, and levers make our work easier and are very simple machines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now. Levers.